Ay, mapakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang ganda. Nagulat ako paglabas ko. Sea of clouds.
Go!
Today we're going to Viewscape camping. Do you want to see? We'll bring you with us. Let's do this.
Hi, Marvinati! We are here in Viewscape Park dito sa Tanay Rizal. Siyempre, di na naman alam ni Summer kung saan kami pupunta. So, were you surprised?
Yes, and I thought, now it's so high here and the wind is so strong.
Ang lakas ng hangin dito, ang ganda ng view, walang tao. Tapos, ang ganda ng view, ang lawak. So, we are here for some outdoor time. Nagdala din kami ng mga drawing pads, ng mga crayons, markers. Because what will you do here?
We're gonna the mountains and the cars, the beautiful flowers, and the clouds, and your camera, Daddy.
So, papakita namin sa inyo yung ito yung view ng Viewscape. Ayan. So, ang ganda. Nandito kami sa rooftop ng kanilang TV. And this is also camping area. We will bring you with us as we enjoy some family time, peaceful time here in Vietnam. We'll bring you with us.
My mama told me, son, always be a good boy. Get yourself a girl that loves you the way you are. But how will I know if she really loves me? In a world full of lies, she turned me into a bad guy.
Can't relate. Walay talent. You know. View lang. You.
Do you like our background? It's color blue. It looks like the mountain, but it's definitely the sky.
Oh, diba? Definitely.
Save all your love, 'cause my heart is cold as a stone. There was only one girl, you can blame it all on her. I wanna run away, it's not my desire. I wanna run away, girl, you play with the fire.
So, murder kami sa ibaba kasi meron sila mini restaurant and we're spending our time here habang mainit dito sa kanilang roof deck, sa kanilang rooftop. Yung mag-ama ko nagdo-drawing, they're drawing the view, yung mga glamping tents, and ako magba-vlog at ina-enjoy ko yung hangin, and sa harap ko nandito yung mga glamping tents. Ito, ang gaganda. So there, we'll take you with us later as we go around dito sa Viewscape. Ganda dito. Let's do this! We are attending Solen's baptism virtually kasi ninong si Marvin. So there's Mama Ruth and baby Solen. Hi! There, oh, diba?
I'm painting here. It's so windy. Be careful of anything paper here. It will flow away if you touch it. This is also paper. This is ours. It will flow away too. But not so much. It's super heavy. and you might fall, so be really careful. Oh, it's just a tent. I just copied it from the Blue Mountain. The tents of the other people's.
You drew your
I
view.
also see a excavator, but he didn't draw it. I need more space to draw our car, but he don't have any more space. I draw a heart, so you will know how nice it is here. And the wind is so strong. Dragon fruit filled, you can see also. I wish you liked it when you had your own trip here. Bye, Marvin Attic. This is vegetable salad, and this is fried cow and some sauce. Delish. See you in this part of.
This is vegetable pasta.
Yeah, I know it's vegetable pasta. And this is the outdoors. We're in the rooftop. It's so windy.
Circles for hours, cause what else can we do? Seemed so sweet when it started, but now it's so cold. I break my back trying to fix this and still end up alone. But I'll keep trying and trying till it splits me in two. 'Cause I don't think we're working out with every sad attempt. You break it off, I'll break down, 'cause I don't want us to end. Don't tell me, I'll let it stay in my head. Won't believe our love is already dead. I'll let it disappear slowly.
Nandito kami sa loob ng kotse kasi biglang umulan. Sumisilong kami dun sa loob ng mga glamping tents. Kaso yung ulan papunta talaga dun. Kaya minabuti na namin na dito na lang kami sa loob ng kotse. Napapansin namin tuwing papasok kami sa kotse, tumitigil yung ulan. No, Summer?
Yes. Then pag tumalabas kami, lumalakas.
Oo, ganun nga yun. Kaya ngayon, nung pumasok na kami sa ulan, pumasok na kami sa kotse, nag-stop na rin yung ulan. Nag-base na rin kami nung damit namin. Titingnan namin kung kaya pa namin lumabas kasi ang ganda talaga dun sa bandang taas. So, we'll take you with us!
Let's do this!
I had my head so deep in the sand. When I met you, didn't have plans, but I stayed when I should have ran. Hey, and this happens every time. Get too close when I'm playing with fire. I get burned, but I know we'll be fine. Hey.
We're spending the afternoon dito sa kanilang camping ground. Napakalawak dito. As in, kahit na hindi talaga magtatabi-tabi yung mga tents dito. You just choose to pitch your tent here. Malayo lang siya dun sa mga glamping tents at medyo malayo lang siya dun sa mga CRs. Wala ring poste ng ilaw, so you have to bring your own light dito. Pero it's really spacious, massive yung camping site nila. Kaso, dahil open, medyo konti lang yung lilim ng puno para malagyan nyo ng shade yung tent nyo. So, pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami dito sa Viewscape. And nandito kami. We spent most of our time in the rooftop. Tapos dito sa camping ground nila. As in, open area camping ground. At napakalawak. So, did you have fun here?
Yeah!
So, she had fun drawing nature, tsaka running around, climbing up the mountain. And it's time to go home now. We'll go back home to the beautiful land of Fairview. So, we'll be back here in Viewscape for sure. Let's do this!
Bye-bye!
Ayaw pa niya umuwi. Okay, we'll bring you with us in our next trip. Let's do this! Good morning! It's officially day 2 dito sa Viewscape. Day 2. I refer to it as day 2 kasi bumalik kami the weekend after, and now we're back here in Viewscape kasi before or last week we were just here for a day tour. We did some ocular para makita namin kung ano ba yung lugar, okay ba siya for camping, and now we're officially back. We're here, we're going to do overnight camping dito sa kanilang overland. We've brought yung kotse namin sa tabi, so technically it's car camping, pero we're going to pitch a tent dito sa puno kasi dito lang may lilim. Since it's overland, wala masyadong lilim ng puno, kaya nauna na kami dito sa only tree here, only lilim here. Si Marvin nag-ocular pa siya dahil gusto niya yata doon sa may cliff kasi doon maganda yung view. But we'll just bring you with us here in our overnight camping here in Viewscape. Let's do this!
Sand. When I met you, didn't have plans, but I stayed when I should have ran. Hey, and this happens every time. Get too close when I'm playing with fire. I get burned, but I know we'll be fine. Hey, got me running round in circles, looking for a shortcut. Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out, I don't wanna lose all this. I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby, I'm afraid I'll fall. I keep a lock around my heart for safety, cause I've been through this before. All I'm saying is it with you, baby, I'm afraid I'll fall.
Hi, Marvin. This is my mommy, Alfie, and baby Summer. Now I'm 5.
She's 5 years old. We are here in
Viewscape. We came back to camping. Then sana hindi naman umulan.
So, dito kami sa ilalim ngayon ng puno. We already pitched our tent. Did you help us? Are you excited ba to go camping?
Yes!
Tapos, dito lang kami, siesta, dito sa lilim, sa ilalim ng puno. But now, we're going to eat lunch. And, after lunch, dito na kami, magsistay, pahinga lang kami dito. Drawing, pahangin. And, we're going to take you with us.
And then play animals and then the giraffe is the prey of the cheetah and jump.
Yeah, she brought her animals. We're going to take you with us here in Viewscape.
Let's do this!
Let's do this!
I'm afraid I'll fall.
And we'll show you the view. My daddy's using the binoculars. Here's the view from here. Let's start here. Isn't it nice? We'll bring you with us when it's ready to camp. Let's do this.
Kasalukuyan kaming binabayo ng ulan.
Hey!
Tinitingnan namin kung tunay na waterproof talaga tong nabili namin tent. Ang nature hike outdoors. Ayan. So, this is your first camping in the rain.
A grasshopper!
Mukhang matibay naman yung vestibule nung nature hike. So, this will also serve as a review ng nature hike outdoors. Ang pagiging waterproof niya sa ulan.
Mommy,
Yeah.
can I see something?
Okay.
There's a grasshopper here that is out of our tent, but it's not out of our shade of our tent.
Vestibule.
So
Vestibule to.
and it wants to shade too. It doesn't like rain. It'll wash it
Sana
away.
dumaan lang tong ulan na to para kami ay makaligo na. So, we'll take you with us.
Ligo tayo sa ulan.
We'll take you with us kung makalabas man kami sa tent namin ngayong gabi. In summer's first rainy day camping! We'll take you with us in summer's first rainy day camping! Let's do this!
Daddy, sama ka na din. Maliligo na kami. Over.
Okay po, punta na ako dyan. Over and out.
Over.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Sarap na tulog. Ayan. We're here in our last day dito sa Viewscape. Baon lang kami ng mga tinapay for breakfast. Pero papakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang ganda. Nagulat ako paglabas ko. Sea of clouds. Oh my God. Ganda.
Hello, Marvinatics. We're going to the bonfire with my daddy. Come on. Down the mountain. Let's go. Almost there. Here it is. Let's take a look. Wow, cool. Can you see that? When we go home, we'll take you with us. Let's do this. Daddy, say bye.
Bye!
Hi, Marvinatics. We're going home.
Hi Marvinatic! Nakatulog na ako dito sa ilalim ng puno. Nagpapahinga lang kami kasi masarap yung lilim. And then, ang gagawin natin? We're going home!
Hi.
Yes, did you enjoy?
Yes, I enjoyed that.
Pabalik na lang kami dito sa Viewscape for another camping adventure. Camping trip. We'll take you with us as we go home.